So I was facing overexposed problem in Premiere Pro. Those clips are recorded by iPhone. So when I import those raw clips, when I go to the export settings, then it will look like the flash effect like this. So there is a simple way to fix it. So let's see how actually do that. Let's go to the edit section, and then if you select all the footages and go to the modify and go to the color section, then you will see the footage encoded by the rec 2100HLG. Make it rec 709 footage. Overexposed problem will be solved. You can see that there is no any overexposed, but we have just lost our natural color in it. So what to do? How to fix the natural color? Let me back to the color. Okay, leave it as it is, or just keep it okay. And then what to do is, if I press the Ctrl M, and then it will look like this. So fix this problem, make the color as natural as possible. So go to the settings, sequence, and then the sequence settings. And after that, go to the color management. So go to the output color space. Output color space, we should select the rec 709, this preset, and then go to the advanced section, and we will also change it to rec 709, and then we are done. And then press the OK button. See that, and the natural color has come back. And if we try to export it, then it will never flashy or never got any distracted in color. And if we try to export it, the natural color remains all the time, see. So yeah, that's it. So this is the process that you can fix the color from iPhone footages. Hope you understand. See you in the next video, guys.